Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch Python string. What is string? String is a collection of word or single word that are enclosed in single quote or double quote. Okay, so here A that is equal to Naren, B that is equal to Coder033 and C that is equal to here triple quote. Okay, hello, good morning. Okay, these three are correct statement. Here I'm just mentioned collection of Unicode character that are enclosed in a single quote or double quote. When there is a paragraph on your Python code, you may use this triple quote option. Okay, which means you can able to enter an entire paragraph. Now I'm going to print all the statement. Print A comma B comma C. Okay, then running the Python app.py. Yeah, perfect. Python app.py, Naren, Coder033, hello, good morning. Okay, then querying string. Querying string. Okay, querying is nothing but just taking a selected values on the string element. Okay, here A, print A, after that print A of first element, print A of third element, which is in normal A it will print all the value. If I need a particular element on the string, I could use A bracket 1, means if I need a first value, 1 means first value means 0, then 1 2 3 4. Okay, here I'm just mentioning 1 and 3. After that print, you could select in between also, for that 2 to 5. Okay, in between element or en. Okay, I can able to choose in between values also. You can use another option, A from starting to the particular value, for the colon 3. Here as in like print A of from 1 colon. So these two statement, what mentioning means, it will print until the value 3, means 0 to 3. Here 1 colon means it will print after the first element to all the string element has been presented. Okay, saving my file and running. So here you could see 0 to 3, 0 1 2 NAR, then 1 to all element, N alone missing, A or En. Okay, so this is how you query the string. Now string concatenation. String concatenation is nothing but joining of two string. String concatenation. For that AA that is equal to hello. Here AB that is equal to everyone. Hello everyone. So if I need to add this value, you could simply use AA plus AB. You could use plus operator. Here you could see the present result, hello everyone. You can place in between different values also. Here AA plus, if I need a space inside, you could use a colon inside that space. If you need space, you can mention space, or if you need to write some other element, you could write. Here I am just mentioning comma. Here you could see hello comma everyone. Okay, so you could able to use like that also, because the string or complete character has been enclosed in a quote. Whatever the element you are adding inside the quote, it will add to that particular element. Okay, then AC that is equal to AA plus code space plus AB. Okay, I'm just putting up the result on single value. Now print AC. Okay, hello space everyone. Okay, this is how you add two string values. Okay, string output method. We are using a normal print statement, right? Print, then what value I need to print. You can able to use a string after that the result also. For an example, here hi and comma AC. Okay, hi and hello everyone. This is a normal and old fashioned printing statement which is string after that comma then value. Okay, now there is an alternate option has been available which is format option. Okay, the concatenation of two string or here braces. After that don't use comma, just simply use dot format, then what value you need to place inside the braces. So here I need to place the value of AC. Okay, the concatenation of two string are hello and everyone. So you could use a format option also. Then there is another simple option is available, that is f string. Okay, f string is nothing but you could directly write inside the value. Okay, here AA plus braces AB, what value I need to print inside the braces is AC. Okay, AA plus AB is AC. Okay, hello plus everyone is hello everyone. So you could use f string. So this is the easiest method available on Python. Means you could, this is very simple and familiar method. Okay, these are the string output method. A direct method, format method, then f string method, then the slash command. The slash command. For an example, in a scenario, if you need a code inside your string element, how do you enter that particular code? For that, you can able to use here how you doing, print BA. Here on particular n element, I need a slash. How do I enter? Here how you doing. I can able to use slash then single quote. So this is a valid statement. How you doing? Okay, you could use a forward slash then quote, a single quote. After that, for the new line, you could use slash n. Okay, how slash n you doing? Okay, how you doing? Paste, then print BB. Okay, so how on the new line you doing? After that, BC that is equal to you could use a tab which is space element. Okay, so copy then paste here. For n I'm just using slash t. Okay, slash t, I'm just using 3 tabs which I need to print the output. Okay, print bc, then running my file, how space. You could see for one tab it will move the string element to a separate values. Okay, so here I'm just using 3 tabs, so that's why the result has been these 4. Then backspace option, see here, /b/b/b bd bd. Okay, now running my file, here you could see my O and W has been missing, which is backspaced my value. So this is a normal single quote option, this is a new line option, this is tab option, then this is a backspace option. Okay, this is what a slash command. Okay, then string operations. String operation, here da, that is equal to hello world. Okay, here all the letters are small, W alone caps. Okay, so here I'm just converting all the values to uppercase. Da dot upper function, da dot upper function, then converting to the lower value, da dot lower function. So to converting an upper and lower, you could use da dot upper then da dot lower. Okay, here you could see the result. Then title, which is the first character alone in caps, da dot title function, da dot a title function. So yeah, perfect. Running my file, here you could see hello world, my first letter alone in the caps. Then to find the length of string, len of da, len of da. Okay, to find the length of string, you could use length bracket, length parenthesis da. Okay, totally 11 character is presented, it will add the space also. Okay, then finding the element, print da dot find, here the word is or. Okay, find is or, 7th element. Okay, 0 to 4 5 6, then 7th value is o. Okay, or is being presented on the 7th element. Split means inside and list. Okay, da dot split, split using split function. Okay, here you could see hello world inside the list element. Okay, then replace, print da dot replace. So I'm just replacing hello to hola. Okay, I'm just replacing the word hello to hola, hola world. Then join element, so for leaving up space, plus, not plus, I think dot join da. Okay, so it will giving a space in between the string element. Okay, then finally strip hello, so space hello, then space, here printing normal db, then print db dot strip. Okay, now Here you could see a normal db statement, it was adding the space element also. Okay, on when I use the strip function, it will remove unwanted spaces inside my string element. Okay, as same like number, there are many option has been available on string. So this is the major option you could use on your program. So let's come to the summary. What is string means? A string is collection of character, means collection of words that are enclosed in a single quote or double quote. If you need to write a paragraph, you may use the triple quote option. Okay, querying, to query the particular value inside the string, then string concatenation, the joining of two string. Okay, string output method, a normal output, then format method, then f string method, then the slash command. Okay, for a single quote, for new line, for tab space, then backspace, then string operation, upper lower title, length, find, split, replace, join and strip. Okay, on next lecture we are going to watch Python list.